What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andy and today I'm gonna be doing an update on BABA stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we caught this movement to the downside, during which this asset lost about 7% of its value. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you what news might be the catalyst for this asset for this week. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, right after this asset hit the range of about $96.66 and had a small bounce to the downside. And we were exactly at $95 mark. And my main assumption was that we hit the crucial point, it is the golden pocket range, and it is the fib retracement level. If I pull this tool from this swing high, the top of the B wave, to this bottom. And it is the most probable range of trend reversal, and this was my main assumption, that we should retest this level of support. And this range, I also drew previously this line. It is the line, the range of support that I drew by connecting these several bottoms. And my main assumption was that this asset should follow this line in order to remain bullish. And this was the point of control. So definitely it is quite a good achievement, because on the video before my previous video, we caught exactly this bottom, and right here I've told you that we should see at least a bounce to the upside, and we caught this movement from its entire bottom to almost the very top, and we gained about 9.27%. And yes, I have to say that my win rate on this asset is about 65 to 75%. That is why you can rely on my technical analysis as a part of your due diligence. So, and what was the reason of its recent price action, and what might be the catalyst for this asset for upcoming week? Let me show you this small icon, and right here you can see the recent headlines for BABA. And we have several of them, and all of them was made from 2 to 5 hours ago. And it says, trending, Alibaba shares fall after a former chief exits cloud unit. Next one, Alibaba's Hong Kong shares slip after ongoing CEO quits cloud unit. Next one, Alibaba's ex-chairman Daniel Zhang steps down as CEO of cloud business unit. And when the high-level executive of certain company resigns, definitely this action is not the best one if you think from the investor standpoint. That is why this asset might go lower. And let me show you one of these news in details. We are on CNBC.com, and this article was published on September the 10th, and it was updated 4 hours ago. And it's titled, Shares of Alibaba tumble over 3% after outgoing CEO unexpectedly quits cloud business. And the key bullets are following. Zhang was chairman and CEO of the Alibaba Cloud Intelligence Group since 2022. And was also concurrently Alibaba's CEO since 2015 and its chairman since 2019. So it is quite a top high-level executive of this company. Next one, Alibaba announced in June that he would step down from his chairman and CEO posts in Alibaba Group in September and head the cloud business. And let me go to this. Shares of Chinese tech giant Alibaba fell 3.5% on Monday after the company said in surprise move that outgoing CEO Daniel Zhang will also be stepping down as chairman and CEO of its cloud business. The move comes after Alibaba said in June that Zhang was departing as chairman and CEO of Alibaba Group to focus on the cloud intelligence unit. Eddie Wu, who was set to take over from Zhang as CEO and director of Alibaba Group from September, will now also be chairman and CEO of the cloud business on an interim basis, the company said in a statement to the Hong Kong Exchange on Sunday. So, first of all, let me explain you some details. we are basically at the very beginning of Monday, and for now, the market is closed. Basically, you can see that we are 3 minutes in the pre-market hours. And why this article stated that Alibaba fell down 3.5% on Monday? It is quite simple. This company is traded not only on New York Stock Exchange, but it is also might be tradable on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange. And we know the gap in between these two exchanges, and I think the gap is around 9 or 10 hours. And that is why we can see that on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, this company is in downtrend. So let me show you another, and let me remind you that we all anticipating the spin-off of Alibaba to 6 different companies, and this spin-off should increase the value of each and every division of this company, but we don't know the details of the spin-off and the exact dates. And one of the headliners among these 6 divisions definitely should be the cloud service of Alibaba, because it has the highest potential, and it has basically one of the highest market that is not occupied by this division to the moment. And that is why this news might impact the price of Alibaba even further, and that is why we have to be very cautious with any of our position. So, and let me show you the general sentiment for this asset. I have to say that if we take a look on the list of institutional investors and the most recent filings, you can see that we have quite mixed behavior, but in the majority of cases, a lot of companies added to their position, and we can conclude that the total sentiment is cautiously bullish. But guys, keep in mind that it is not the date, the execution date of this deal. This date is just a filing date, and the real deal happened at least 45 days prior to this date, and this means this list has quite a huge delay. That information you have to keep in mind. And let me show you that in general, this asset still has the consensus analyst price target at the range of about $138.64, which is at 53.96% of upside potential from current price. And guys, it doesn't mean that you should blindly buy with a lump sum the shares of Alibaba Group, because we might see even more fluctuations in price. But in general, this consensus analyst price target is the price target for upcoming 12 to 18 months. And this price target might not be ever achieved by the price, and everything depends on the sentiment, and everything depends on the performance of the company. But in general, this shows the sentiment in forecast of from major analytic firms. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, I have to say that for now, as you can see, we hit the range of support that I marked previously, and we have a very good reaction out of this range. But in general, I have to say that most likely we might see the breakout below this range. And if it happens, definitely you should be very cautious with your position, because the next point of control will be the bottom of the previous price action that this asset set on August 18th. And if it breaks this range, we might see the movement to the downside, to the next range of support. And guys, for now, it is quite tricky to assume its next movement. I have to say that if you have a set of very good and precise forecasts that came to fruition, definitely you have to be very cautious, because next potential forecast might be 100% wrong. And that is why, for now, I don't think that you can benefit out of its next leg, because in general we don't have much exposure on the market, and we have about 3.2% to its next point of control to the downside. and about 7.65% to the next point of control from the upper range of this price action. And that is why I think you have to be cautious and stay aside from any trades. Just wait till the market resolve itself, and when it happens, I will do another update and I will show you what should we expect next with a more precise certainty. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium